My name's Tyler. I own Ironside Forestry out of Lincolnton, North Carolina. I've been running the 275 XE land management with a drum forestry mulcher on it. I've ran 299 D3s, D2s, ASV, RT120s, all simultaneously with the 275, and major improvements with the 275. Visibility has been really crucial. That's something that you really need. Awesome visibility working in the woods all the time, obviously, mulching. The stability of the machine that was a big improvement over the 299 and the ASV. Power, the increase in power definitely goes hand in hand with, all the other improvements. Comfort, I would choose to be in this machine over anything else that I've ever ran. Cab space and even the stability kind of goes hand in hand with the comfort, because you feel safer, holding a 3,000 pound head in the air, tracking around the woods. The maneuverability of the machine while you're running the tool is another big improvement we've seen, how the machine will track while you're working, not just traveling. Fuel capacity was an improvement, not having to, stop every 4 hours for fuel. The camera system was improved. That kind of goes hand in hand with visibility. Undercarriage, we can definitely tell an improvement with the new E-bar system, how the machine handles different terrains, also while working with the tool. And I've put 1,000 hours on the 275. All of that has been running a forestry mulcher. We haven't really done any dirt work with it. We've done a little bit of conventional clearing, just running a grapple with it, but I would say that we're at 1,000 hours. I would say 950 of those have been mulching, and we've had really no major failures. Really everything has been really, really smooth. I really couldn't ask for better. I have zero negative feedback. The machine is just, all in all, it's a whole different animal, especially in what we do.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.